Good morning, scholars. This is Ms. Faso, and I'm going to be going over lesson 116 for skills today. The opening learning targets are I can retell the events from the story Time to Bake, and using evidence from the text, I can answer questions about the story Time to Bake. All right, time to bake. A big fat baker makes some bread. He wiggles his belly and shakes his head. Jib and jab, rub-a-dub, he washes his hands in a big round tub. Bash and dash, and then a thud. Bam and jam, chop and cut. The pot is big and the lid is shut. The water boils and the pan is hot. Sizzles, zizzle, and the bubbles pop. The oil spits above the heat. The dogs are hungry, they want to eat. The ham is hot and the dog will fuss. Yip and yap, and then a hush. All right, so what is the baker making? Tell whoever you just read with, what is the baker making? All right, what does the baker feed to the dogs? What does the baker feed to the dogs? All right, in that story, it said sizzles, zizzle. What do you think that means? Tell whoever you're reading with, what does sizzles, zizzle mean? The text says the oil spits. What does that mean? Can oil really spit? So whoever you're reading with, tell them, what do you think that means, the oil spits? Right? Where does the story take place and how do you know? Why did the dogs fuss? And what words could you use to describe what it looks like in this bakery or kitchen? What words could you use to describe what it looks like in this bakery or kitchen? All right, our next learning targets are I can read the text Time to Bake. I can use my knowledge of letters and sounds to read words, and I can recognize and read many high-frequency words by sight. Now, you should have your Cycle 23 Decodable Student Reader, so feel free to get that out and use that in addition to this video. All right, time to bake. Jib and jab, rub-a-dub. Bash and dash, and then a thud. Bam and jam, chop and cut. The pot is big, the lid is shut. The ham is hot, and the dog will fuss. Yip and yap, and then a hush. And that is the end of our story. So, after this story, I encourage you guys to get out your decodable reader and read the book independently to yourself. And if you need some extra help, you can replay this video again and listen to me read the story. If you have any questions, please reach out to your child's teacher. Thank you and have a great day.